Welcome to the Tech YouTube channel. Our channel brings interesting moments in life such as transport machinery equipment, tree saws, accident moments, cameras, military. We hope everyone will support watching the video, and if you find it interesting, remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and now invite everyone to watch interesting videos. Witnessing these timber harvesting machines in action is truly impressive. Their efficiency and precision are remarkable. It sparks my curiosity to experience operating one firsthand. I wonder if anyone else feels the same way. Cutting wood in the snow might seem like a recipe for frostbite and misery. Right, but with the Kesler 12MDH trailer and Kesler 305T excavator, it turns into a winter adventure. You'll glide through the snow, flex your muscles with heavy logs, and feel like a king in your cozy cabin. Who would have thought work could be so enjoyable?
It seems that crushing large logs is quite an easy job with this amazing wood crusher.
Cutting down trees and sawing them into usable lumber used to be a laborious process, taking hours, if not days, to complete. But now, with modern wood cutting and processing machines, it's all about speed and efficiency. These machines are designed to handle even the largest trees with ease, turning thick trunks into manageable logs in just seconds. To process trunks into smaller logs or wood chips, wood splitters and chippers were developed. These machines take large, difficult to handle trunks and split them into smaller, more manageable pieces. A wood splitter uses hydraulic force to split wood along the grain, creating uniform logs ready for firewood or further processing. At the West Sound Sawmill, the power of machinery is displayed in an impressive fashion. Massive logs, stretching up to 12 meters in length, are fed into cutting lines with millimeter-level precision. The main saw, equipped with razor-sharp steel blades spinning at 1.50 RPM, slices the wood into perfectly straight planks with remarkable efficiency. Imagine the REM 650 moving along the highway, its blades spinning at incredible speed, shredding everything in its path. Grass and branches are evenly distributed on the ground, forming a protective layer for the soil. Priced at around $300, the REM 650 is a worthwhile investment for your business. First day of the campaign to remove a towering 70-meter mountain ash tree in the Dandon mountain range was truly remarkable. The tree needed to be felled because a nearby giant had toppled, exposing its roots and creating a hazard. In the video, the fallen tree is clearly visible. The team performed exceptionally well, particularly Kev Price, who skillfully operated the rig, turning a challenging task into an impressive achievement. This is the perfect combination. The TS produced 6 double-band saws paired with the Magnum LT truck system and the Brownsville-style wood saw. Together, they deliver exceptional power and stability, with a 40-foot working space and a weight capacity of 10.000 pounds. This system easily handles large logs, while the Lewis Setworks control system ensures precise cutting and improved productivity without compromising accuracy.
Going to run the last shift for the end of the day. He'll be running.
It's an incredible feeling to greet the first tree in the morning in the new forest, with an impressive chainsaw equipped with a 36-inch blade working hard, slicing through wood like a sharp knife. Everything is swift and precise. Each cut determines the perfect fall of each tree. What an exhilarating moment to kickstart a new day in the forest. With the power of machinery, nothing can stand in the way of the work progressing rapidly. felling this ash tree feels like performing brain surgery on a giant patient in a prime location along a tourist route. Every move by the construction team must be carefully calculated. The roar of chainsaws, the spray of sawdust, and the echo of falling branches resonate throughout the area. Even the smallest mistake could lead to catastrophic consequences, threatening the lives and property of those. Put on your helmet and watch as the 45-to-1 system transforms uprooting into a spectacular performance. Like a giant being flawlessly pulled from its footing. With many years of experience in the wood processing industry, C-Fed in Mosheim has established itself as one of the leading sawmills in France. The Speyer Cragge sawmill is a clear testament to our continuous investment in modern technology and product quality. Under the scorching sunlight, Manson and the 200er tirelessly worked to load pine logs onto the barge, preparing them for transport to the paper mill. The TigerCat 870C forestry harvester, produced by TigerCat, a leading American company specializing in heavy machinery for the forestry industry, was introduced in 2018 and quickly became one of the most popular choices among logging contractors.